Let's try now. Crispy outside, soft. Softer. Mm-hmm.